So if you've been wondering how I get my POV shots, I've actually been using the DJI Nano, and I have this magic arm here. As you can see, it's a pretty big contraption, especially for only a needle tool. But we're going to use the needle tool here and show you how to cut off the top of your piece. If it's a little unlevel, you can cut that with a needle tool. So we're going to actually split the screen here, and you're going to see the POV shot as we trim this here. So that's how we use this awesome little camera. Obviously it can be pretty big depending on the tool. I was actually using it on this trimming tool the other day, this one here, and it got a little top heavy and it actually went to spin in my hand. So as long as you balance it correctly, you can use that for doing your fun POV shots. Now I do have the Neewer 2x macro lens on this. That way just the tip of this is in focus and you get a nice shot there. If you're using the regular lens, it actually can be out of focus and everything else will be in focus. So if you're doing some of these macro shots with your tools and you want to get some cool shots with that, you're going to need a macro lens for that. Now, with that being said, this lens cannot be used underwater because it does not have the gasket on it. So be careful if you want to use that for any underwater shots. You're going to have to wait till they either come out for something specifically for the Nano. This one was made for one of their action cameras. So thanks for watching and stay creative.